Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome to our class again. Today we are going to be talking about paragraphs and heading. You click on our menu, then our workspace. We already created a folder the other time, which is Digits Bubble. You can see the plus sign down here. You click on that, then you create new file. Let's name the new file index.html since we are dealing with HTML. The dot must be there, index.html. Then you click save. Then you click on index.html. Now that you've clicked on index.html, the first thing I told in the last class is that we, we are going to write the doc type of our HTML. As you can see that things are displayed on this keyboard. We have the angle brackets, we have the class, we have the image, we have so many tags here, but we're not dealing with that. So let's open an angle bracket, then an exclamation mark, doc type HTML, then you close it. I said after the doc type HTML, we will have an HTML tag. An HTML tag will follow. After an HTML tag, we will have an head tag. We will have an head tag. An head tag must be inside an HTML tag. As you can see, the head tag. The head tag must be in the HTML tag. So under the head tag, we must have the title tag. The title tag will display the title of the HTML document. Title. This is how we spell the title in coding. So let's name the title digits bubble. Digits bubble. Then we are done with the head. Now after the head, we are creating the body tag. The body tag. As you can see, the body tag. Under the body tag, we have the heading, we have the paragraphs, we have the image, we have so many things under the body. Anything we write inside the body will be displayed in the web browser. So we've opened our body tag. So let's start with the heading. This is how to create an heading in coding. You open an angle bracket, then H1. H1 first, let's put first heading. Anything you put inside these two opening tag and closing tag will be displayed in the web browser. First heading, first heading, first heading. Then you move to the second line, H2, second heading. Let me just copy it so that it won't stress me. Copy the next line. So the last one. So the least heading we can have in coding is H6. which is the smallest heading, while H1 is the largest heading we can have in coding. So H2, okay, this one is H2. This one is correct. Okay, the third one, let's name it H3. H3, H3. Oh, no, so this one is H4. Can see. Don't make a mistake while you're doing this thing. Don't make a mistake. You should be careful and you should know what you are doing. Understand what you are doing before writing. H6. As you can see, we've created our heading. And for us to know that what we did is correct, we should run our code. Let's first save it. Let's save it first. You can see save here. You save at the top menu. Then beside the save, you see something like play. When you want to watch video, something like play. So you click on it. You can see, wow, this is how to create an heading. This is how to create an head. You can see first heading, second heading, um, first heading, second heading, second heading, second heading, second heading, second heading. I also change the first heading, second heading, third heading, but that was a mistake. You can put anything there. So let's go back. Let's have to create an heading. So let's move to a paragraph. How to create a paragraph. For us to create a paragraph, we'll open an angle bracket, then we type P. P is used to represent a paragraph. What do we want to put inside the paragraph? Let's put my name is Ibrahim. I am a web designer. You can put anything. You can write as more anything. You can write anything. Then let's run it and let's see how it goes. You can see, this is what we call a paragraph. This is what we call a paragraph. My name is Ibrahim. I am a web designer. So let's go back. After creating the paragraphs, you can create many paragraphs as we want. Either want to create another paragraph, you write it again. P. When we close it, let's say I design any type of website. Then full stop. Then you run it again. I design any type of website. You can see it is displaying. I think this class is getting interesting more. Don't worry, we reach the advanced level. So this is all for today. And note, the HTML closing tag must be the end. It must be the last thing in your code. That must be in your last, you get what I'm saying? It must be the last thing. This thing, this closing HTML, the one I highlighted, it must be the last thing in your code. Then the body too, then followed by the body, because the body will be the text to be displayed in your web browser. Thank you. We'll see you in the next class. Bye.